Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Upvan. My name is Rajesh. Today we are going to practice a 15-minute yoga session in which we will stretch our whole body. So take your mat and let's start practice. First we will start with left leg. So fold your left leg, interlock your finger, place under your thigh, just rotate at knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Pose it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ankle on thigh. Place your left palm on your knee. Inhale, push your knee down. Try to touch on floor. Exhale, up. Hug your thigh. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Exhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Now hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Pose it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Leg straight. Now right leg fold. Interlock your finger, place under your thigh and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Pose it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, in 1. Fold your leg. Ankle on thigh. Place your palm on your knee. Inhale, push your knee down. Try to touch on floor. Exhale, up. Hug your thigh. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Exhale, down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pose it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs straight. Shake your leg. Now here butterfly. Fold your both legs, heels together. Interlock your finger, grab your toes, knees up and down. Keep your back straight, spine straight. Knee up and down. Try to touch your thigh on floor. Okay, heel closer. Inhale, head up, back straight. Exhale, forward. Reach your forehead to the mat. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forward, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward, down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Both hands front. Stretch more. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Cross your leg. Come to tabletop pose. Both hands front. Knee apart at your hip level. Toes back. Now here rotation at your shoulder. Slowly try to make big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pose it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come center. Now here both hands front. Deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch your upper back. Reach your chin, your chest to the mat. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Stretch your back, upper back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Slide your body forward. Lay down on mat. Rest your palm under your shoulder. Inhale, cobra pose. Chin up. Look up. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mountain pose. Legs straight, hands straight. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. Hold for 3 breaths deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your left leg on top of mat. Here, high lunge crescent. Push your hip down. Raise your both hands. Inhale, up. Palm together over your head and hold for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hand back. Interlock your finger. One more time. Open your chest, shoulder back. Inhale, up. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Heel down. Exhale, forward. Stretch your hand over your head. Reach your head to the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release your hand. Here, both legs straight. Place your right palm left side on mat. Exhale, twisting left hand up. Look towards your fingertip or look towards ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Release posture. Come to mountain pose. Leg back. Again 3 times. Big breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Side change. Now right leg on top of mat. High lunge crescent. Push your hip down. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Palm together off your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Hand back. One more. Shoulder back. Open your chest. Inhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Heel down. Exhale, forward. Reach your head to the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Release your hand. Here, both legs straight. Place your left palm right side. Exhale, twisting. Right hand up. Look at your fingertip or look towards ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Release posture. Go back to mountain pose again and hold 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Bring you both legs forward, step forward. Grab your big toe. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forward. Elbows out. Stretch your lower back. Stretch your glutes. Hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Fold your both legs. Malasana. Elbow inside, palm together, heart center. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale, chin up. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in 10. Release. Posture. Sit back. Leg front. Shake your leg. Relax your leg. Now you can lay down on mat and relax here for 5 minutes. Just relax. Relax your hands. Relax your legs. Relax your whole body. Just 5 minutes. Relax.